pakibuksan niya ito eh.
Oh!
So we're getting ready for the big storm coming up. Good morning, guys. We have a storm here in Winnipeg again. It is very strong. I'm going to work now. My husband is dropping me off at work. So we're getting this snowstorm in April. It's supposed to be spring now. But no. Elsa's back.
And took forever to hit north of the border. Altona did get about 10 centimeters of snow overnight. It is starting to come down pretty good in my neighborhood now. Wind's picking up and lots of snow out there. I think a lot of people need to keep in mind they were expecting more this morning and it's just kind of covering the ground now. And they're like, oh, it's not bad, I'm going to head out. It's going to be a different story by like 5 p.m. this afternoon, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's going to snow very heavily today, and once a little bit gets on the ground, those winds will really whip it around. So yeah, definitely a day to just stay at home if you can.
Yeah, highway closures are beginning to roll in. RCMP said that they will roll them out pretty quickly as the snow begins in areas, so be thinking of that too. We'll take a look at traffic right now. Details.
Winter is back again here in Winnipeg. We had at least 40 cm of snow just for half a day. The road is slippery. City of Winnipeg, they start pala the roads. They're clearing the road now.